Is your Hyundai i20's infotainment system frozen or not producing any sound? These are common issues and often stem from software glitches. Before seeking professional help, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes might resolve the issue, but proceed with caution to avoid warranty complications. Software updates are now the primary solution. Check for the latest over-the-air update version 2.4.5 or later via the My Hyundai app or your dealership, as these updates optimize memory management and address known bugs. Intermittent connectivity problems may also occur with third-party app integrations like Apple CarPlay. If resets and updates don't fix the problem, the issue may be hardware-related, like a faulty amplifier chip or screen. In these cases, professional diagnostics are essential. Hyundai is moving towards AI-driven infotainment systems with features like Smart Assist, which self-diagnose and prompt fixes. Keep your system updated to enhance cybersecurity and prevent hacking-related freezes. Future trends involve user-friendly solutions like global remote fixes via cloud-based servers. Regular updates are crucial and can prevent many common infotainment problems. Ignoring updates will result in more issues as time goes on, so keep an eye out for new releases in your My Hyundai app.